Alright, so I made this cool little thing. You read the title. This is essentially the anime scripter for Davinci Resolve. It's just a front end. It takes all the AI models and features from the anime scripter and just packages all that into one simple to understand UI, which is connected with Davinci Resolve and works. Now here's how to get it and how to make it work. You know what I'm saying? So there's going to be a installer in the Discord, which you essentially just double click and run. Before you do that, I recommend creating a folder. Cool. You drag that shit in the folder, open it, and then use the installer inside a folder because this will get messy. So it's just cleaner to have it inside a folder. You just double click it, click on download dependencies. It will just download everything it needs, which is Python, the anime scripter, what else, the main UI file, and what else, the bad file which runs the standalone version. There's some bullshit, you see. Okay, when it's done, you can essentially just run it by double clicking on the run.bat file, or you can click on create shortcut, which would create a Davinci Resolve shortcut right here, which will run it inside of Davinci Resolve. So this is the UI. So how to use it? You essentially just drag your playhead above your clip and click on grab clip, which will grab the current selected clip, and then you can just tweak the settings, enable upscaling. Use this one. What else? Interpolated, deduplication, of course, we gotta have that. That should be it. And once you got your settings done, just click on run, and it will just install its needed dependencies, which might take a while depending on your network speed. It downloaded everything, so let me restart it real quick. Hold on. Obviously, it's just gotta download all that bullshit once and never again, you know. So it might take a while, but that's only gonna happen the first time you try to export something. Just click on run again, you know, make sure your clip is selected. Alright, click on run, and now it should you know, take care of your clip. Let's see, this is real time, by the way, so it is fast. Definitely. I don't know what the fuck the creators of TAS were doing, but they made this shit fast. Let's see. Let's bet for a sub 30 seconds. Of course. Let's go. And now the clip is imported, and with high quality and interpolation. You can see the difference right here. Frame rate, resolution, and if you want to see the visual difference, let me zoom in real quick. You can clearly see the difference. So it does work, and it imports your clips as well. So Linux and Mac support will be coming soon. So all my Linux users, all my Mac users will be served. But other than that, bruh, yeah, Windows users are thugging right now, and yeah, have fun.